Guys, 2018 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter. Really nice look on these. I like them. Long tube headers there and there. Another shop did that. Then cats there and there. Then everything else is original. 3-inch pipe. Looked good, so we didn't replace it. 3-inch X pipe. We didn't replace it. Then we ran 2.5 out the back for a little bit of back pressure for them. There and there. And then we put some 5-inch black Natomi tips right there to complete the look. Make it look absolutely phenomenal, as you guys can see right there and right there. There's a huge muffler that was on it. It's like a bed almost. It's huge. Look at that thing. And we did delete the valves also, guys, for it. If these convertibles come with valves, we deleted them also to make it louder for them. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe. Here we go. All the way from Kansas. There she is. What do you think? Yes? Yes. And he's a soldier, guys. We really appreciate his service. If you can hear me. Wow. That sounds so good. Your sound decibels? 121. That's awesome. This sounds so good. Again? Perfect. That never gets old. Look at that idle. It was so quiet before, bro. Silver on black. It's very nice. Very sexy. Chevy Camaro SS. First thing, always put headers on. That sounds mean. Man, my ears are tickling. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Camaro SS, long tube headers, 2 cats, X pipe, 2.5-inch system, straight pipe. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.